Why are the oranges called oranges, but an apple is not called red? Apple. Why are the oranges called oranges,